Hello you guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to complain or report a charge in Uber. So without any further ado, let's get started. Make sure that the Uber application is downloaded on your iPhone. Open it, then click on your account. Make sure that you're logged in into the right account on the bottom right. Then click on the help option. You also need to make sure that you're logged in the right account and that you've taken a ride here. Otherwise, you will not be able to dispute your Uber ride. So please be sure to open the right account. So click on the help page and it'll redirect you to another page like this. Then click on help with a ride. But I've not taken any rides in this account, so it'll give a message of you haven't taken any trips yet. But if you do have taken trips, it will come on the option as dispute this trip or more about this trip. So click on the dispute button and you'll send a dispute request. I hope this video was very helpful, and please be sure to comment on the comment box below. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.